Are you ready to take your road trips to the next level? Imagine cruising down the highway in the luxurious 2025 BYD Motorhome. Now with an exciting upgrade, new seats and lights that bring a fresh blend of comfort and style. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or newbie to the motorhome life, this modification is set to revolutionize your journey. Welcome back to BYD Innovations, where we explore the latest in automotive technology and design. Today, we're diving into the future of motorhome luxury with the 2025 BYD Motorhome model. We've seen motorhomes evolve over the years, but this upgrade is a game changer. From the plush new seating arrangement to the ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood, it's clear that BYD is pushing the envelope for what we can expect from mobile living spaces. First off, let's talk about the seats. BYD has completely reimagined comfort with a modern twist. These seats are designed not just for long drives, but to provide ultimate relaxation during your downtime. With memory foam cushioning and adjustable settings, each seat offers personalized comfort that ensures you're always in the perfect position. Whether you're sitting upright to navigate through stunning landscapes or reclining back to relax and enjoy a scenic sunset, these seats support your needs. But comfort doesn't stop at the seats. The ambient lighting system inside the motorhome has been upgraded to give the perfect atmosphere no matter the time of day. Imagine driving into the night with soft, customizable lights that adapt to your mood. Whether you're unwinding after a long journey or getting into vacation mode, with LED strips integrated into the cabin, lighting is now more dynamic than ever. You can adjust the colors, brightness, and intensity to match your surroundings or your personal preference, creating an atmosphere of serenity that only adds to the overall experience of the road. But it's not just about looks. BYD has also ensured that these upgrades add to the motorhome's functionality. The lights are energy efficient, ensuring you can enjoy your trips without draining your power reserves. And the seats are designed for durability, so you can rely on them for years of comfort, no matter how many miles you travel. This upgrade is the perfect marriage of practicality and luxury. It's not just about the destination anymore. It's about enjoying every mile along the way in the utmost comfort. With the 2025 BYD Motorhome model, every journey feels like a 5-star experience, blending style, relaxation, and functionality into one seamless package. If you're excited about these upgrades and can't wait to see more innovations in the world of motorhomes, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Epic Moto Legends, and share this video with fellow road trip enthusiasts. Drop a comment below to let us know what your dream motorhome upgrade would be.